guys, welcome back. So I want to do a bunch of stuff today. I was supposed to vlog before leaving the house, but guys, I was rushing because I didn't finish my hair on time. By the way, new hair, I'll show you guys later. I'm at Stella's place. I need to do my brows. About to enter now. Oh my god, Sarah, this lockdown is doing some people so well. Look at her, she's even matching. See coordination, Bikono. Oh please, you look good. You look good. I swear, Stella, you look so good. I'm not joking. See coordination. Not so. Could never be me. They've got mask on. Hey, mine is wear and throw away, okay? Hey, you don't have to fool. That's what I'm wearing right now. Please come and bless me. Come and bless my face. Hey! Wow! Tell me more. Wow! We're not having to collect all. Collect all. Arranging. Love it.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know the thing. Oh, I can't let this slip. No, I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go too fast, 'cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich.
Oh god, and then I'm so happy.
Why did you come out like that? Your hair matches your.
If you hide to my camera,
No way makeup.
see your skin is good. Oh dear God, have you ever known Theo to not look good without makeup?
Wait a minute, I should do my braids.
See, she...
And I'll say hi.
Hi. I'm here to get my nails done. I'm doing acrylic. I haven't done acrylic since God knows how long. So I just want something simple and nice. I'll show you guys. So
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
it looks so beautiful. I've never had nails this long before, so love it. Guys, okay, so I haven't seen you guys since yesterday. Let me show you guys my nails again. I am still like very much enjoying these. I haven't had my nails this long in a very long time, and I think that these look amazing. My face is glowing. Love it. I just did what did I do? I didn't do a makeup tutorial, but I filmed a couple of videos today. Guys, right, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know that I've had issues like this past week. I filmed a lot of videos that I just lost because initially I thought I was having issues with my memory card. So when it happened the first time, I went and I ordered two brand new 128 gig memory cards, class 10. I didn't take any chances at all. It just hurt me so much. At first I thought it was like the memory cards, like I was saying, and I ordered brand new memory cards, filmed it again yesterday, tried to import them, and I couldn't import these videos. Like, I didn't understand what was going on. We tried so much, and like the problem, I've hacked it, we realized what it was. I realized now that the problem was the memory card reader. Guys, this memory card reader did so much damage to my files that after, like, when I tried to put my memory card back into my what's it called, my camera did not even recognize these files anymore. Like, these were files that I had viewed on the camera. I had seen these files, put them in the reader, tried to put it back on the camera could not recognize these files anymore. I don't understand why Apple would just not make computers that come complete. They keep making devices that come with less and less, and they're not coming with alternatives. Apple laptops now don't come with memory card readers, so you have to get like this adapter USB-C thing, and that's the reader that damaged my files. It's just very frustrating. So I have to go somewhere now to see. Hopefully, I don't think I'll find this evening, but hopefully by tomorrow morning I'm able to find a new memory card reader or buy from somewhere so that I can get back to editing. I want to go grocery shopping now. I just want to buy some fruits and veggies. I want to go to maybe a supermarket in VI. I want to go with my friend. We're supposed to do this by what? 1 o'clock. See me, it's like almost 6 p.m. That's why it's like this. But guys, my face is glowing. Like, my hair is long, man. I filmed this whole hair thing, the process. I lost all of that, but my hair is long enough for me to actually do this. I was supposed to cut my hair and I changed my mind. I was like, you know what, I won't cut it again. Let me kind of enjoy my hair like this, and I really love this. I think I'm going to do this for a while, man. I think so. Guys, I'm glowing. My face is glowing. I don't understand where my husband is. Where is he? I'm going to go like change to a pair of jeans, guys. Even when I come close, my face is still glowing. Even when I come close like this, my face is still glowing. I couldn't buy anything. Like, when I got to the store was closed. So we are trying to figure out food now. Pam, my friend, is inside this restaurant. I've never been here before, so we just want to order food from here. She's placing her order now. I already placed my own order. I actually didn't know that a lot of supermarkets close by 7, 4. I even went to one that said they close by 4 p.m, which was very weird. So there's still a curfew in Lagos, so that kind of makes sense. But I was hoping that maybe they were open till around 8, 9, because a lot of these people are open till around 8, 9. So I'm going to put on my mask now and go and join her because she's wearing a mask. I'm not. Back home, and I have changed to my jalabia just to be comfortable. Let me show you guys what we ordered or what I got, so that I can eat. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything. So we got, sorry, so I don't know what this is, but Pam ordered this. I think it's chicken that comes with stuff. Okay, and this is pasta from Casper and Gambini's, of course. And then, sorry. And then these are fries, but I don't know. I think there's cheese and stuff. I should have opened this. It's soggy now, but yeah. I want to have some vitamin C because I haven't had any today. There's also some wine here because Pam wants wine. So yeah. Guys, I've received quite a few things this past week. Some of these things are okay. One of it I ordered, and I'm going to do a video around the thing that I ordered. But the shocker here is Ferus. Ferus sent me drinks. Fam. Thanks, Ferus. Thanks. I wasn't expecting this at all. But I just folded my wrappers, guys. Am I the only person who can, like, I still hold on to these? So this I got from my mom. Wrappers are just like Ankara fabrics that we use. We don't wear them. They're like maybe about 4 to 6 yards, not up to 6 yards, maybe about 3 or 4 yards of it that you just use to lounge around the house. You use it to cover yourself, stuff like that. Like, I've been doing this in secondary school. These are just straight out of the laundry. I just folded them. This, I kid you not, guys, is a birthday present from Noma. Noma sent me this a long time ago. I've actually not unboxed this as some sort of punishment to her because she keeps asking me if I've unboxed it, and I'm like, I've not unboxed it yet. Let me take these out. I'm sure she's going to insult me after she watches this part of this vlog. Just hold on. Okay, so. Okay. I don't know if by now you guys have seen my perfume video where I was talking about oud fragrances, and this is rose oud, another rose oud fragrance. Why is this thing not focusing? Please focus. Oh, this is another rose oud fragrance, and there are some handmade soaps in here. So this is neem and lemongrass. This one is goat milk and lavender. Guys, this box smells really good, like really good. And I have a rose oud scented candle. Guys, I'm going to burn this like ASAP. It smells really good too. Rose oud, I think, is my favorite oud anything at this point. So let me see what's in here. This girl is mad. This girl is so mad, okay? All the way in Abuja, you got somebody to actually write this nonsense down for you, okay? Put this by your bed and dream of me, your princess. Happy 24 days later birthday. Love number. Guys, I actually love this so much. Thank you, Chinchi. Love it, okay? Guys, that is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to be a lot more consistent going forward. I think I should have already said this to you guys now that I've sorted out all the issues I'm having with my gear and stuff. I'll see you guys in my next one.